this video I will show you how to maintain and disassemble the ASG Sti Duty pistol. The same tutorial works also for the P07 Duty and other pistols that use these stick type magazines. Take off this back plate using this button. Last thing, we have 2 pins, and when the pins are out, you just slide the whole assembly out. Take the part and wipe everything off. Just make sure everything is clean and dry. Then we will take the silicone spray from Abbey. Don't be shy, just spray it generously, the more the better. Then just move the trigger a little bit so the oil keeps getting deeper. Next up, you can use the Gun Lube SM50, but I prefer the LT2 grease because it's more dense. And just using a toothpick, you take a small amount. Another thing, it's recommended to clean this lower receiver because it always gets full of grease and sand. Okay, next up, make sure that the hammer is upwards. So push the lever, push the hammer upwards and then slide it back inside. Little bit of grease in here. And yeah, just put in the screw. We put back the slide release. Just press it in, then we screw back on the panels. We take the whole slide assembly, clean the slide from inside, just to make sure that it works smoothly. And then put it back on, slide it backwards, and put in the back plate of the slide. And then the 2 plus screws. Back plate of the gun, and the last thing, the rear side. Don't forget to tighten the screw. Of course you could take it down more deeper, but if you do the maintenance regularly, then it's not necessary. And hope you understand everything, and leave comments below, and all the links to these greases will be in the description. Thank you.